Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete recurring invoices on FreshBooks. So let's say that you've sent a recurring invoice to someone and the recurring invoice is scheduled to be monthly for the next 12 months, but for some reason they cancel after month 12. So how do you actually cancel that recurring invoice? Well, I'm about to show you. Make sure to stick around in order to learn how to cancel or delete recurring invoices on FreshBooks. So on the left-hand side, you want to go ahead and click on your Invoices tab, and then you want to actually go ahead and find that recurring invoice. So for demonstration purposes, I'm actually going to go ahead and create a recurring invoice first. So let's go ahead and click on New Invoice, and then we're going to set this to be recurring, and then make recurring, and then set it to monthly, and then click on a number of invoices, then we're going to click on done. And so now we're actually just going to fill up all this information just for demonstration purposes, and then click on save. So here you do have to enter a contact in which this recurring invoice is actually going to be sent. But once you actually have that recurring invoice created, what you're going to do is that you're going to see that invoice over here under all invoices. So with that, you just want to go ahead and actually click on the invoice that is recurring and then simply just delete it. So once you actually delete that invoice, that is how to actually stop recurring invoices on a client. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have found a better way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.